We'll guide you through how to turn off a professional account on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here we are on Instagram, and so you're wanting to go and turn off the professional account. So we're going to guide you through how this is done. So what you want to do is come to your profile. So you want to go and press the user button or maybe your profile picture in the bottom right, and here we are. Now, what we want to do is go to the top right and go and press the three lines like this. Then once you're on settings and activity, you want to go and start scrolling down. You need to go and find the option account type and tools, and that's going to be in the section for professionals. So you want to go and tap that there. Find the option for account type. You can see it at the top there, and you can go and see at the moment it's professional, but you can find the option blue, switch account type. Tap that there, and then we can find the option switch to personal account. Confirm the decision and understand you are going to be losing access to those different tools there. And now wait. Then you can come back here and you can go and be back to the personal account.